Hi, this is Rockin' Robin, and today I am making a Halloween wreath. Now, I got this one at Target for only $3. It's felt. Easy do-it-yourself with kids or by yourself. Stay with us. Hi, this is Rockin' Robin, and today I am making a wreath. I'm making a Halloween wreath. I got this wreath at Target, and it was only $3. I'm going to show you how to make it. It has a boo, B-O-O-O. It has all kinds of things on it, and we're going to show you. It has some ghosts. It has some bats. I'm going to open it up and show you the pieces, and then we'll put it together. So it's just like this. And it's very easy to open. I'm going to take some scissors over here. I've always wanted to make a Halloween wreath. I have never made one before. I've made plenty of wreaths that were from Christmas, but I haven't made a Halloween wreath. So I'm really, really excited about this one. So let's take a look at the pieces that are inside. Now, of course, the first thing you're going to get is the ring. And it's a cardboard ring. It's got a little white on it, so I'm assuming that's going to have to be glued on or taped on. I'm sure they'll show us. And then it has a string so you could hang it. It's not very big. You can see it's about the size of my head. And let's see what else it comes with. It comes with this package here. And let's open this package and see what's in here. Ooh, I'm excited. All right, so here is the boo. Make sure you spell it right. You can't help but not. And here are some little bats. Here's 3 of them. And then there are 2 ghosties along with some items to stick it. Now I'm going to make a design and then we're going to stick it and we're going to show you how it works. Okay, so let's start. The first thing you do is you get the little stickies from here. And you got to get to one of the stickies and you are going to take them off. Very easy to do. And you're going to stick them right on here. And what's going to happen is the felt will stick right to it like that. Just go like that. And now the felt is stick to it. And you're going to do it all the way around. So I have taken the stickies and put it all around. So the white is all stuck to it. So now it's time to take the other pieces. Now I'm going to put the boo over here. I think that would be cute. So I'm going to get a couple of stickies and then I'm going to stick the boo to that. One right here. I'm going to stick it there so I could put one of the letters there. There you go. And I'm going to get another one so I can put it right there. And the boo will be done. There you go. And there's the bee. Oh. Now, next I want to put one of these over here, and then I'm going to design some of these others. So let's get one for that creature. He's a cute bat, black and white. You can always add more things to this if you have stuff at home and you want to add something else to the design. There's no reason why you can't do that. Okay, so there we go. Got 2 items on so far. Now I'm going to put this one I think. This guy right over here. Yeah, that'll be cool. Have you ever done one of these before or something like this? Please feel free to leave a comment telling me if you've seen these. These were, it was a decent price for only $3. I think this is great to have for your kids to do for the holiday. I'm sure they'll all enjoy it. It's very easy. You know that they're not going to be able to hurt themselves. You can cut the items so they don't have to use the scissors to actually do it. All right, here we go. There's 2 things. It's very exciting. And next I'm going to do 2 bats over here. Or should I do that like that? So much to think about. I'm going to go like this, I think. All right, let's get the next bat. Such tough decisions. Now, there's a lot of different kinds of wreaths that you can make. And at Target, they had some that were $10 as well as these that were $3. So, you know, you got a lot of choice to choose from. Isn't that cute? I'm gonna put him right here. Or maybe I'll stretch him out a little bit and put him over here and put another bat. What do you think? Nah, I'll put him there. And I'll show you our progress so far. What do you think? Isn't it cute? One more piece. I'm gonna put the bat on and then make sure everything's on tight enough. Might have to put a couple extra pieces. You know, that's okay. Let's get the bat. It's always nice to work with felt because it's so easy to use. Doesn't take much of anything to do. I would say that this guy probably needs another one. This is pretty sturdy, but he needs another one. Maybe I'll use another one on the other one just to be sure that he's safe. Okay, it's right here. And no, he's pretty good. I have one extra that I'm probably not going to use. So what do you think? Now, I'm going to show you, but if you make a mistake, I want to show you what you're going to do. Let's say you decide you don't want this here. Just pick it up. You want to move it over here a little bit. You want to move something. It's easy to do. You can just maneuver it while you're still doing it. Okay, I think I'm going to put another one right there. Then I think I'll be all done. Make sure he's glued nice right there. The bee. These things are really sticky, let me tell you. And there we go. Voila. This is my Boo Pumpkin for Halloween. At $3. You can get it at Target. There's a lot of other places I'm sure that you can get items for. And if you want to make your own, maybe you can make some pieces, cut them out on felt, get some gluey stuff, and make them. Have a good Halloween. This is Rockin' Robin. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, and give us a big thumbs up.